Hello everyone, and welcome to the Car Crash Test Channel. Today, we're taking a close look at how the 2025 BMW X2 performed in Euro NCAP crash tests. This compact SUV offers sporty performance, but does it deliver on safety? Let's dive into the details. In the frontal offset test, the BMW X2's passenger compartment remained stable, with good protection for the knees and femurs of both the driver and the passenger. However, some structures in the dashboard posed a risk to occupants of different sizes, and driver chest protection was rated as marginal. In the full-width rigid barrier test, the rear passenger's chest protection was also rated as marginal, while other body areas fared better. The side impact barrier test and the more severe side pole impact test showed the X2 at its best, with good protection for all critical areas, earning maximum points. The X2 is also equipped with a countermeasure to prevent occupant-to-occupant head injuries, ensuring excellent protection for both front occupants. Like other high-end models, the X2 comes with an advanced e-call system and post-impact braking technology to prevent secondary collisions, making it a well-rounded choice for safety-conscious drivers. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the latest crash test results, and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the automotive safety.